2014 CLS 550. A beautiful Mercedes. Really nice car. What we got done on it, so I got factory converters there and there. Then 2 1/4 pipe, and we continued that 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. True dual, no X pipe, nothing. He's gonna test it out, see if he likes it. We might come back when we put an X pipe on it, but we'll see. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And then we did quad tips there and there, black. Complete the black look. Came out really beautiful, really clean. Hope you guys like it. That's how you true dual them. All the way back. It was fun to do. There's all the parts we cut off. There's the resonators. They look like catalytic converters, but they are resonators. You see that? And then they got another resonator over here in the middle. And then 2 mufflers and the tips. They're hung on by 3 bolts. So you can take them off really easily. That were on factory. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Let you hear it coming down. See, that's different. I like it. Oh, you can hear the whistle. It'll be gone if you put that X pipe in. Woohoo! Again? That sounds sick, man. True dual straight pipe. Here's sound decibels. Again. 113, man. That's sick. Go ahead. Yeah. Look at all that moisture coming out of it. It's actually breathing.
It's not stifling anymore.
No.
Oh, listen to that.
The heartbeat, baby. I love it. You guys can hear it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that is sick. Look at that. Come get you some. Let you guys hear on the inside. Shady CLS. So beautiful. Who needs all this stuff? This is better. Yeah, there's power right there. Woo! So he had it in eco mode the first time. This time it's going to be in sport mode. Boom.
I love the woo sound.
Oh, now it's in sport mode, so it should sound a lot better.